Question. Question 10. What are the Lewis formulas for the following molecules? So first we have a bromine attached with fluorine. If we were to calculate their total valence electrons, bromine has 7 and fluorine also has 7. So we have a total of 14 valence electrons. So let's draw a single bond between the bromine and the fluorine. So each bond contains 2 electrons. So now I just need to draw in 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that is our Lewis structure for the first molecule. Next, we have phosphorus tribromide. So its total valence electrons is equal to phosphorus having 5. And again, bromine has 7, but since there are 3 atoms of bromine, it's 21. So 21 plus 5 is equal to 26 valence electrons. So I'm going to draw phosphorus as our central atom, and then I'm going to draw the 3 bromine atoms around it. Again, each bond is worth 2 electrons, so we have 6 drawn so far, and I need to have 20 more. So each bromine atom will have 6 lone pairs, or 3 lone pairs, but 6 in total, so let me draw that in. And then if we count out all the electrons that I drew so far, each bromine has 6, so 6 times 3 is 18. And then counting all the bonds, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I have 24 electrons written down. So the last 2 will go on our phosphorus, 25, 26. And everything follows the octet rule, and we have our total number of electrons. So that is the Lewis structure for phosphorus tribromide. And now let's look at the last molecule, NOF. For the total valence electrons, nitrogen has 5, oxygen has 6, and fluorine has 7. So if we were to add them all together, we have 18 valence electrons in total. So our central atom here would be nitrogen. And first I'm just going to write it as a single bond with both the fluorine and the oxygen. And then if we were to fill in all of the lone pairs, fluorine has 6. So it already has a full octet. So I know I don't need to form a double bond with the fluorine. But if I were to draw in all of the lone pairs on the oxygen, there would be 4. And nitrogen still doesn't have a full octet, so that's why I joined a double bond in between the oxygen and the nitrogen. But we still don't have a full octet for the nitrogen, so I'm going to add another lone pair. So now let's count it out to see if we have 18. So we have 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that is the Lewis structure for NOF. And the junior tutor said the bromine and the fluorine would just have a single bond. The phosphorus tribromide has the 3 bromines and then a lone pair on phosphorus. And the NOF has the double bond between the oxygen and the nitrogen and a lone pair on the nitrogen. Okay, so this solution is correct. Okay, so those are all the questions for today's session. And if you enjoyed today's Q&A and you'd like to be notified of when we do this next, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell below. If you'd like to submit a question of your own, then check out the links in the description. And also, if you enjoyed today's video, you can leave it a thumbs up and a comment. And don't forget to share with your friends and classmates if they needed any help with chemistry. This has been Donna from OneClass, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.